Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate lava cake. Preheat oven to 450 degrees F and butter 4 6-ounce ramekins, dust with cocoa. I'll walk you through melting chocolate and butter gently, whisking eggs and sugar until smooth, folding in flour and filling ramekins evenly. We'll bake briefly, rest cakes, and invert for that molten center. I'll share timing tips and how to check doneness for perfect lava every time. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep everything smooth and stress-free. Chop chocolate finely so it melts evenly with the butter when warmed over a double boiler or gentle microwave bursts. Separate or beat eggs as directed, mix sugar until slightly ribboned, then combine with melted chocolate and fold in flour carefully. Preheat the oven and butter ramekins thoroughly so cakes release cleanly when inverted. Timing is the secret to a perfect lava cake with a flowing center and structured edges. Watch the first batch closely as ovens vary. Start checking at 9 minutes and adjust in future batches. If edges are set and centers move slightly, remove and let rest a minute to firm the exterior. Run a knife around the rim if needed, invert onto a plate, and serve immediately with ice cream or berries for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.